How to archive a highlight on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive a highlight on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just scroll down to the highlight section. And here, once you're inside the highlight section, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you'll see the option labeled as archive highlight. So there you can just tap on it, and once you do that, the highlight will be archived on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.